Algerian cuisine, couscous, Tunisian steamed rice, chakhchoukha, meat noodles, merguez, Algerian sausage, bourek, cheese pie. Algeria is a country with a rich and diverse culinary tradition, influenced by its history and geography. With a mix of Mediterranean and African flavors, Algerian cuisine is known for its Couscous. Couscous is a staple dish in Algerian cuisine, and a popular dish throughout North Africa. It is made from small grains of semolina, which are steamed and served with a variety of meats and. In Algeria, couscous is often served with lamb or beef, as well as chickpeas, carrots, and potatoes. It is typically flavored with a mix of spices, such as cumin, coriander, and turmeric, too. Chakhchoukha. Chakhchoukha is a traditional Algerian dish that is made from broken pieces of bread, which are soaked in a flavorful broth and mixed with meat and vegetables. The bread is typically made fr. The bread is then mixed with boiled lamb or beef, as well as potatoes, carrots, and chickpeas. Chakhchoukha is a hearty and flavorful dish that is perfect for a cold winter day. Merguez. Merguez is a type of sausage that is popular in Algeria and throughout North Africa. It is made from ground lamb or beef, which is mixed with a variety of spices, such as cumin, paprika, and. Merguez is often served as a street food, either on its own or in a sandwich with bread and harissa sauce. It is a spicy and flavorful sausage that is perfect for meat lovers. Bourek. Bourek is a type of pastry that is popular in Algeria and throughout the Mediterranean. It is made from phyllo dough, which is layered with a filling of cheese, spinach, or meat. The pastry. Bourek is often served as an appetizer or snack, and is perfect for a party or gathering. It is a flaky and delicious pastry that is sure to impress your guests. Algerian cuisine is also known for its use of fresh and flavorful ingredients, such as tomatoes, peppers, and olives. These ingredients are often used in salads and dips, such as the popular. Another popular Algerian dish is chakhchoukha, which is a dish of eggs poached in a tomato and pepper sauce, often spiced with cumin and paprika. It is a hearty and flavorful dish that is Algerian cuisine also has a strong tradition of sweets and desserts. One popular sweet is baklava, which is a pastry made from layers of phyllo dough filled with nuts and honey syrup. Another popular Algerian dessert is macroud, which is a sweet pastry made from semolina flour, dates, and honey. The pastry is shaped into small diamonds and fried until crispy, then soaked. In addition to these dishes, Algerian cuisine also features a variety of soups, stews, and grilled meats. One popular dish is mechoui, which is a whole lamb or sheep roasted over an open fla. Algerian cuisine has a long and rich history, influenced by the country's geography and its diverse cultural heritage. Over the centuries, Algeria has been occupied by the Berbers, the Roman